Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AdoreDonnie. Today I'm showing you guys how I got this birthday cake look today, and just basically how I got this look for my birthday. Your girl is 24 years old now. Let's jump right into this video. Going to start off with Prep and Prime Fix Plus by MAC. Spray that all over my face. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows, and now we're going to conceal. I just put that over like my under eyes and any like red marks on my face, and I blend it out with a beauty blender. Time to do my eyeshadow. We're going to use NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Electric eyeshadow palette. I've actually been wanting to use this palette for like since I've gotten it, and I was like, why not use it today? Because today is the perfect day to use it. I mean, hello, these are the perfect birthday colors. Come on now. Anyway, so today was, well, actually not today, but when I recorded this video was the perfect day to use this palette, and I wanted something colorful and bright because I rarely do colorful bright looks, so I wanted to go out of the box and do something more creative and different. So yeah. So now I'm taking NYX's glitter primer, and I'm just going to do a cut crease and pack on the most shimmery pink from the palette.
So I can't hate on you, but I got your feelings, I won't let them go. You don't even want to talk about it. Communication like moving mountains. Very scary how you move.
Right now I'm taking the same glitter primer and putting that on the middle of my eyelid, and I'm just going to basically pack on some glitter right there. I kind of messed up because the glitter like went everywhere, but I ended up making it work. You guys will see later on. But y'all, like, that glitter went all over the place. Okay, so for some reason, like, I guess my camera got too hot or something, but anyways, I finished my eyeshadow, and basically the only thing left that I did was I went and basically put glitter along my crease to like kind of like make it stand out more and wouldn't look like I just put a bunch of like glitter just on my eyelid. So I was trying to make it look more uniform, I guess. Anyway, so I went ahead and put on my foundation, which I showed you not too long ago. And now I'm just highlighting my face.
What does turning wealthy mean? If you gon' turn your back on me, stuck between a rock and a boulder. You know I gotta hit the road up when I'm only with you in spirit. I can't even give you a shoulder to cry on, rely on. Responsibilities pile on. I let bygones be bygones, but all I'm hearing is I'm gone now. Lately, you don't feel appreciated. You've been sitting up by the phone, waiting for me to call on, baby. I know it might sound crazy when you start to feel all alone, and you're not on your own. You got that feeling, you feel like you can't control all your feelings. It got you feeling so empty, and I don't like that feeling. I'm feeling like I'm controlling your image. It got me feeling so guilty. I know you hate that feeling. You feel like you
Now it's time to set everything. Every product that I use in this video will be linked down below, since I'm not really telling you guys what I'm using, but yes, each product will be linked down below. So don't forget to check out the description box to see what products that I use in this video.
You got it, so I can't hate on you, but I got your feelings, won't let them go.
Now I'm taking NYX highlight and contour palette and just contouring my face.
I got your feelings, won't let them go. You don't even want to talk about it. Communication like moving mountains. Very scary how you move in silent. I already know that you gon' deny it. When you can't have patience, waiting on me gets dangerous. You've been sitting up by the phone, looking for me to call. Baby, I know it might sound crazy, but when you start to feel all alone.
And for my blush, I will be using NYX Sweet Cheeks.
Like you can't control all your feelings. It got you feeling so empty, and I don't like that feeling. I'm feeling like I'm controlling your image. It got me feeling so guilty. I know you hate that feeling. You feel like you can't control all your feelings. It got you feeling so empty, and I don't like that feeling.
To highlight, I'm using Almay's Instant Glow Highlighting Duo.
And I got my bags packed for this guilt trip. I know bridges burn faster than you can build them. Sometimes I forget to check in when I got big checks to cash. What does turning wealthy mean? If you gon' turn your back on me, stuck between a rock and a boulder. You know I gotta hit the road up when I'm only with you in spirit. I can't even give you a shoulder to cry on, rely on. Responsibilities pile on. I let bygones be bygones, but all I'm hearing is I'm gone now. Lately,
now I'm just finishing my eyeshadow and going back and doing my lower eyelid. And I'm just taking the pink, put on my inner corner, and I take the same colors in same order and just put them on my lower lid.
All your feelings, it got you feeling so empty, and I don't like that feeling. I'm feeling like I'm controlling your image. It got me feeling so guilty. I know you hate that feeling. You feel like you can't control all your feelings. It got you feeling so empty, and I don't like that feeling. I'm feeling like I'm controlling your image. It got me feeling so guilty.
Now I'm taking the Smoky and Highlight NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm just going to take one of the highlight colors and I'm just going to put it on my inner corner.
So I can't hate on you, but
Now I'm just blending out my eyeshadow. So now it's time to do my lips. I already did my mascara, and the two lip products that I'm using is from CoverGirl. Not sure what the name is, but like I said, I will have everything linked down below. Taking Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray. I'm just going to spray that all over my face to set everything. And that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look for your birthday. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.